Okay, now that we have the engine out of the vehicle, we're going to be doing some work to this, obviously. Now, don't mind the chain. That was just used to hoist the engine out of the car. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to take off the carburetor, and we will clean it all up, and we're going to rebuild that. In addition, we're going to replace the water pump after we take the pulleys off. We are going to replace the thermostat. We're going to take off the exhaust manifolds, which are on the side. That's what leads into the muffler. And we're going to clean the interior of it, or of both of them, and then clean the exterior as well. Once those are off, we're going to take the intake manifold off, which is here in the middle. And we're going to clean up the interior of that as well. That's where the air and the fuel go into the cylinders. We're then going to take off the cylinder head, which you see here. The valve covers are off right now, so you can see the valves and valve springs, the rocker arms, and you can't really see from there, but push rods here. That's what operates the intake and exhaust valves, which allows the air and fuel in, and then that closes, and it allows the exhaust out after the pistons are going up and down. In addition, after we're done with that, we are then going to take off the oil pan off the bottom, and that's going to allow us to get a good look at the crankshaft, which runs through the bottom of the engine here. That is what the pistons are connected to, and those are what go up and down in the cylinders. And as one comes down, it allows the air and the fuel in, then the valve closes, piston comes up, it compresses all of that, the spark goes from the spark plug, and kaboom, you have ignition, combustion, that sends the piston down, that's what gets everything rolling. So we're going to get a look at the crankshaft itself, the bearings that are on it, and from the top we'll be able to get a look at the pistons. Anything that needs to be replaced, we're going to replace, and you'll be able to get a look at that. So let me see if anything else. Yep, in addition, if you can see from that angle, but here we have the distributor cap, inside is the rotor. We're going to be replacing both of those, obviously replacing the spark plugs and spark plug wires. So once we get that going, we'll be doing some more videos, so you can check that out as well.